Welcome back to beautiful Sopot. This is our fourth visit here now, and we're just kind of killing some time before we can book into the hotel. There'll be a hotel review on this channel, so you can check that out too. And also I've put a video about Sopot and a bit of its history before, so I'll leave a link to that one in the video description for this video. This is going to be a bit more casual, a bit more laid back. I mean, we've seen the main sites, we're just heading to the beach at the moment. And yeah, come along with us. Let's check it out. This is the Plaza Beach, and you see Hotel Hafner, and that's actually where we're staying. So just by chance we've come to a beach maybe sponsored by them. Entrance, Sopot number 14. And there's toilets here. It is a bit windy today, you might hear some wind on the video in a moment. We've got some big waves up ahead, which look pretty cool. We've just got here from Hell, and there'll be a couple of videos about what our experience was like when we went to Hell. It was really good, and the weather here is absolutely superb today as well. This is kind of mid-April. It's not the absolute warmest, it's a bit of a cold wind, but it's certainly, you can't beat the sun. So we chilled out on the beach for a little while, and then we just went back to the hotel because it had a really cool spa, and we've been there all afternoon. We're heading out for something to eat now in a place we've been to before. It's really cool. It's not this place here, it's just along here a little while, and just off to the right is the beach. But wait till you see this place. It's called Koliba. Very cool. So it's just past this shrine, or whatever it is, monument thing there. And you know, blink and you'd miss it, but here we are on the right hand side in the trees. You can maybe see the lights. A cool building, and it's open as well. We didn't actually know if it was going to be open or not, but it is, so that's great. And I think it's open till midnight. So just wait till you see inside. Well, it looks so cool inside that place, but we decided to move on. We had a couple of drinks, and now we're going to the next one along because there was just nobody in there, which is a real shame because it looks fantastic. And it wasn't like that last time we went either, it was a bit more busy. I think we came there before in November, and this time it's April, so I don't know why it's quiet, but anyway, let's see what the next place is like. Hopefully there'll be more people there. And here's the next place. We passed it on the way up. It was only about, I don't know, 30 metres from the other one. Let's see what this is like. Hopefully it'll be open. Well, that was really great. The food was fantastic. The service was really good as well. This is how much it cost for our meal. 2 main courses and drinks. Very reasonable. So we're really glad we came here. But we're going to wrap up for today, and I'll see you after the break for day 2 in Sopot. Good morning from Sopot. Well, it's a lovely day today. I don't think there's even any clouds in the sky. It's a little bit windy, not the warmest though. But we're here in the park again, and the plan today, well, we don't have one. We're just gonna wander about, see what we can see. Let's go and have a look and see what's happening. Maybe we'll head down to the beach, it's just over there. So this place here, Mudo, does some absolutely fantastic ginger infusion tea if you ever want some. And right beside it is the Grand Hotel. It's certainly very grand. We're not staying there though. It is windy today. I'm just ducked behind a building. The beach bar looks a bit closed up today. This one here is a Sheraton Hotel. These two are both pretty expensive to stay at, but they do have incredible views. But we're coming up to just at the end of the pier. So that's the famous Sopot Pier. We've been along there about, I don't know, maybe 4 times already, but this is the first time I've noticed that they've got barriers here where you've got to pay 10 zloty now to get along the pier. I think this is a relatively new thing because it was free when we did it. Now the famous Molo sign, and I think over here that looks like JP2. It's always good to see him around Poland. We've seen a lot of statues of his. Jana Palva. Cool, good to see him. Well, one of the things we've never done here is actually go up this tower, and you can do it for 10 zloty. So we're going to go and do that right now. Well, that was really cool up the tower. Got some really good views up there. Something we haven't done before, so that was great. And now this is the kind of main bit. Lots of bars and things around here. Candy trendy shop. Really cool. This is just the main street now. We just popped into Żabka there, of course. Get a bottle of water. We're heading up here to the wonky house.
Zapraszamy do Muzeum Iluzji.
And just around here is Wojciech the bear again. We saw one of these in Hell, and obviously there's one in Princess Street Gardens as well. It's always cool to see him. Might just dive in here and see if we can book a table for later. It's an absolutely fantastic brewery pub, this one. Okay, let's nip in and see if we can book a table. Well, that coffee was excellent, so we're just going to wander back down here. Maybe duck into the church. I think we've gone in there before, but might as well just have a quick look in. So the Balancing Man is up this street. Last time we came here, this is all getting reconstructed. I think they're still doing some work at the end there. It's much easier to see the guy now. There's certainly a lot of construction going on in this part of the world. You really feel as though, you know, Poland's going somewhere, and well, certainly in this area. It's really good to see. I won't get my photo taken by somebody else now. Oh no, they're Instagramming. Anyway, there's the wonky house. I'm heading back down to the waterfront. I hope I don't get a copyright strike for the music coming out of that bar. Last time we came here that was shut as well, and now it's open, which is cool. Well, this might look as though it's really hot, but it's actually, the wind is really cold. I think it's coming in from the north. Got a pal over here as well. So this is a very distinctive building. It's actually a hotel, and we were thinking of staying here. And then it looks a bit soulless to me. Well, we came up here to have a look at the Forest Opera place up here. But it looks to be shut at the moment, which is a bit annoying. Maybe see it up there. There's an airplane going over. It was another fantastic meal and evening at the Brovar Majski Sopot. Yeah, I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. Apologies about that. Anyway, we had 2 mains and lots of beers. I'll put the price on screen around about maybe here, and you can see what that's like. Probably be about double that in the UK. Well, good morning. That ends another fantastic visit to Sopot. We've just checked out of the hotel and we're waiting for a taxi to go to Gdynia next, which is the next video coming up on this channel. So if you like this one, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.